What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Batman from DC's League of Super Pets. Let's get started at the very top of our page with the eyes. We start over on the left side. Starting from the very top, we draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's layer the brow on top of the eye. Starting from the outside, curve this up and in. Come in across the top of the eye and down. And we'll curl up the brow. Now from the bottom of the brow, we're going to step over, fold this out and up, and then we'll draw on the top of the right eye, going up and out, bend this out and then down. Let's draw another oval for the right eye, going all the way around and then back up. Let's draw a character looking over towards the left side. Starting from the bottom, draw a small circle. Do the same thing on the right side. Draw a smaller circle along the top left of each eye. And then we'll fill in the bottom. Let's go to the center of the brow, curve the edge of the nose going out and then down. And we'll draw the bottom edge of the mask. Starting from the bottom, curve this up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Let's round out the side of the head. Starting back over and left, bend the head going out and then down towards the chin. And do the same thing on the right. And connect the bottom of the jaw with a curve. Coming down and then bending that back up. Let's shift the mouth over toward the left side. Starting up here, curve this up, and then bend that down. Add a bracket on the outside of the corner of the mouth. Let's add a fold underneath the mask. Starting with the left, going out and down with a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw on the left ear. On top of the left eye, start with a straight line going all the way up towards the top. And then from the tip, bend the head going out, and then bring that all the way down towards the neck, to right about there. Now we're going to layer the top of the head in behind the ear. So we're going to step up, go across, round out the brow, and just pull that in towards the side of the head, curve this out, and then down towards the edge of the mask. Now we're going to tuck the back ear in behind the head. Starting up here, start with a straight line going all the way up towards the same height. Bend this out and then down. Let's go underneath the chin on the right side, curve the neck coming down and out towards the shoulder. Now with the head in place, let's draw on the outside of the cape. From the bottom of the neck on the left side, we're going to step in, curve this out, round out the shoulder, and then bring that down, straight down towards the bottom, and we'll bend out the bottom of the cape. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in, curve out, round out the shoulder, bring that down, straight down, and then bend that out towards the same height. Now you want to give the body a slight turn towards the right. So from the center, step over, start by curving this up, and then blend this out towards the side of the cape on the left side. Let's go back to the center, curve this up, and then down towards the right. Let's add a trim along the inside of the cape. From the center, step up, start with a point, and we're going to follow that curve, going up, across, and then bring that down. And we'll do the same thing across the right side. I'm going to go back and add a fold along the side of the neck. Starting on the left side, curve this down and bend that in. And now from here, we're going to tuck the arms in underneath the cape. Let's start on the outside on the left, curve the arm going around, and then bring that in towards the elbow. And we'll cross the arms, going out, and then pull that up towards the right side. Let's round up the top of the forearm, and go up, and bring that down towards the inside of the elbow. Let's wrap the right arm underneath, starting right in the middle, curve this down and then out towards the elbow. Round out the arm, and just pull that up towards the side of the cape. And it will draw the edge of the body along the right side. Starting from this point, curve this up, and bend that in. Now the right arm is going to come up in behind the left forearm, so we're going to draw in the fingers. Starting from the inside of the elbow, round up the finger, go up, and bend that in. Let's add 2 more fingers. Starting from the outside, going around, up, and then down. And 1 more finger going around, across, and then down on top of the forearm. Let's separate the cuff. Starting up here, going out, around, and then down. And we'll draw the edge of the glove on the right side, coming down and out. Now with the arms in place, let's draw in the hips. Starting underneath the left elbow, start with a straight angled line coming down, go all the way over towards the right side, draw a straight line coming down towards the same height, and we'll connect the ends with a curve. Let's draw that same curve just up above the top of the belt, and we'll add 2 lines on either side. From the hips, we're just going to curve this in and then down towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. Pulls off the bottom with a straight line. From that bottom line, let's step up, draw another line going across, go up and out toward the left and right. Let's go to the center of that bottom line, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the foot, going down and then up. Curve the top of the foot going up, and we'll bend this down aiming toward the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. We'll go out, come down, and then bend that in on top of the foot. Now we're going to go back to the top of the leg, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the left heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the foot, going down and up, and we'll draw the top of the foot going up, and then again bending that down, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the left hip, round out the leg, going out, and then pull that straight down on top of the foot. Let's separate the edge of the boot. Starting from the outside, come down and up, move over towards the right, do the same thing, and then we'll add a thick trim along the bottom. Let's go to the outside of the boot cuff, go this up and in, and then angle this up and out towards the hips. Now we're going to wrap the cape in behind the legs. Let's start on the left, start with the curve going up, and then bend that down. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll bend this up and in behind the legs. And it'll come towards a point in between the legs. Now let's go back up and tuck that bat symbol in behind the arms. We're going to start right in the middle with a curve. Going down and then up. And then on the left side, come down and out in behind the arm. Let's go to the top right, curve this down, bend that all the way up toward the top, round at the side, and then bend that in. Let's draw the tip of the left wing. Out and up, and back down in behind the hand. Now you want to trace that along the inside, just leaving a thin gap all the way around. Down towards the bottom. Let's push this all the way up towards the side. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Batman from DC's League of Super Pets. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.